Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Bonfire token at this time, friends. The Bonfire holders doing a biggest mistake at this time, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. For more details, keep watching this video till the end, friends. And remember, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing Abby Stake channel. At this time, if we look the price of the Bonfire, so absolutely the price is from the previous last 1 week, they are very fastly moving up. But unfortunately, if you look the currently condition, so the currently condition, the Bonfire falls start now in the market, friends. So that is why a lot of holders doing a biggest mistake at this time, friends. So don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. Anyways, if we talk about the currently at this time price of the Bonfire token in the market, so 0.000063 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Bonfire token, friends. And friends, if we look the price change occur, as you can see here, as I told you that at this time the price falls down negative 1.81% falls occur. I mean going down share Bonfire from the previous last 1 week, friends. So now I know at this time the Bonfire token falls down, but what's the reason behind it? As you can see here at this time, that is the price chart. Oh my god, but here is a good news. As you can see, a lot of holders do a big mistake on this time. As you can see here on this time, as you can see here at this time, the Bonfire token continuously falls down. So a lot of holders when see this kind of fast occur in the Bonfire token, so they understand it that the Bonfire continuously, the permanent fast, the permanent Bonfire start going down, permanent for next all time. The Bonfire is going down, 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 down. No, that's not mean that the Bonfire only falls down. As you can see here, after this fall, the Bonfire again take a jump on this time, and at this time also the Bonfire token taken a jump. As you can see here, oh my god, friends, the currently at this time changed again positive 2.22%. And the start of this video, the price change is negative, but now the currently change, as you can see here, positive 2.22%. So now don't do this mistake. Don't sell Bonfire token at this time, friends. It's time to hold, and I hope that Bonfire token make you millionaire at this month. My prediction is very positive about Bonfire token. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.